It was the year of 2004 when I was preparing for my matriculation exams when I first got detected that I have a type of cancer. So बहुत लोगों को शायद पता ना हो, but cancer is a very very vast illness. So there are a lot of categories in that. So और सब कैंसर एक टाइप के नहीं होते हैं. So you might have heard most commonly like breast cancer, blood cancer, lung cancer, etc. etc. सो उनके अंदर भी बहुत सारे डिविजन्स होते हैं. एंड मेरे साथ जो कैंसर हुआ था दैट वाज कॉल्ड जर्म सेल ट्यूमर. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ ओवरियन कैंसर. एंड वो जो टोटल ओवरियन कैंसर्स होते हैं उसका सिर्फ 2 to 5% होता है. दैट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ केसेस टिल नाउ. लाइक ऑल ओवरियन कैंसर्स उसका 2 to 5% के लोगों को ये जर्म सेल ट्यूमर हुआ था. सो ओवरियन कैंसर एज अ होल is a very little percentage or maybe a big percentage of the entire cancer thing. So आप सोच सकते हैं कि अगर ओवरियन कैंसर का ही 2 to 5% है तो obviously this germ cell tumor is a rare kind of cancer. Upon this again germ cell tumor के भी बहुत सारे variations हैं. And out of that जो मुझे हुआ है that is called yolk sac tumor. So this is malignant in nature, very aggressive compared to other germ cell tumor because usually germ cell tumors को good tumor कहा जाता है क्योंकि अगर ये एक बार हो जाता है तो ये repeat generally होता ही नहीं है. It's very rare and ये easily मतलब हो जाता है ठीक. बट बिकॉज मुझे ये स्पेशल टाइप का जर्म सेल ट्यूमर हुआ था जिसको बोलते हैं योक सेक ट्यूमर विच इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी एग्रेसिव एंड ये बार बार हो सकता है. सो इसका जब मैंने रीजन पूछा मल्टीपल डॉक्टर्स से सो मैंने आज तक मेरे को 4 बार हुआ है. अगेन फॉर द फोर्थ टाइम 2026 I have been detected again with cancer and till now I have been to a lot of hospitals. Some of them are big hospitals and met lot of doctors. I went in 2018. I went to Leelavati. My surgery was done there. In 2024 my surgery was done at Apollo Indraprasth, Delhi. And rest first surgery was of course it was done in my uncle's nursing home, that is a Kumar nursing home. And इस बार जो है सर्जरी नहीं हो सकती है, पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो अभी हम लोग कीमोथेरेपी शुरू कर चुके हैं. कल मेरा पहला साइकिल ऑफ कीमो स्टार्ट हुआ है. एंड बिकॉज जिस दिन कीमो होता है उसके जो साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं उसको होने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. सो आई लुक वेरी फाइन राइट नाउ. And because maybe from tonight my health will not be as great to speak so much things, and also in few weeks or months maybe all my hair will also go and I'll get bald again. So I thought I'll make this video today because after 22 years I have finally mustered all my courage to speak up publicly on my details of my disease. Because I keep getting a lot of questions, I keep getting a lot of suggestions, and people ask me, "तुम्हारा भी बार-बार क्यों होता है? Because you eat junk food, you eat that, you ate that, whatever." Multiple opinions. So, and maybe also because I want to convey this. Many people also praise me. They say I am a superwoman, I'm a hero, I'm so strong. But I thought I'll make this video to convey this also, that I am not a superhero, I am not a superwoman, I'm just as normal as all of us. And because the disease has happened to me and because I have a big support system with me, I have been able to fight this disease well. And my nature is to be always smiling since my birth, just since my childhood. So I tend to forget things. So I always keep smiling, I'm in a joyful mood. And the best compliment I get from people is that you don't look like a patient. Like they ask me who is the patient, or they ask me that it's kind of compliment for me that they ask me, tell me that आपको देख के लगता नहीं था, मुझे पता नहीं था कि आपको कैंसर जैसा बीमारी हुआ है ना, आपको देख के लगता नहीं है कैंसर है. तो इट्स ऑल अबाउट माइंडसेट. एंड बिकॉज मुझे इतने प्रिविलेजेस भी मिले हैं आउट से मुझे। मेरे पेरेंट्स ने बीइंग अ मिडिल क्लास, उन्होंने मेरा ट्रीटमेंट या फिर मेरे को जिससे रखा है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छे से रखा है, आई वुड से। एंड मैंने जो पेशेंट्स को देखा है हॉस्पिटल में, बहुत सारे, जब मैं कीमो वगैरह भी लेके आई हूँ, दे ट्रैवल इन बस, दे हैव कम टू गेट कीमो इन बस, स्मॉल बेबी, वेरी ओल्ड लेडी। सो उस हिसाब से मैं अपने आप को बहुत प्रिविलेज मानती हूँ कि मुझे जितना सुख सुविधा दे सकते हैं, दे मेड मी अ प्रिंसेस ड्यूरिंग ऑल द 4 times, लाइक आई वुड से। एंड दैट इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजन। बट आई वुड से कि कैंसर जो है ना, वो more than physical, obviously physically तो you're exhausted, you're like, chemotherapy is the worst thing that has ever happened to me. But I would say more than that, we need to be very mentally strong for this, because the disease, like, it is not something that hurts you just physically, it hurts you mentally, psychologically, and it affects you badly here. So I have gone through a phase of depression, also clinical depression, and I've come out of that. And so this, I have started making these videos recently, and everyone told me that why I don't talk about my cancer story. It might be a very informative to people, because nowadays a lot of people are getting cancer. A lot of people have contacted me also personally that मेरी मदर इन लॉ को हुआ है, मेरे father-in-law ko hua hai, like that, and they connect to me. So I thought, why not, if I, whatever little knowledge I have in my 22 years experience, coming from a patient perspective, obviously I'm not a doctor, so I will not speak about anything else but my experience and how I dealt with things, and what is and everything about a patient actually. So this is my perspective. From a patient's perspective, I'll make this video. So, hi, I forgot to introduce myself. If someone is new to the channel, I'm Vipansi Kumar, a 37-year-old resident of Guwahati, Assam, and being a software engineer. And I'm right now working in TCS, and I have, the biggest relationship, yeah, where for me, longest relationship I had with someone is my cancer. So here I'm speaking about it. So the first thing I would say that I have been immensely getting support from my family, my friends, even my office, my workplace, and that is the support which is making me stronger day by day. And that is the best thing that has happened to me, that I have so many support for me, and that's why I have been able to fight this disease. So I the first thing I would like to convey, that whenever you have such kind of problem, do not just keep things inside you. Talking to your close ones is one of the best thing that would happen to you. And I want to make detailed videos also, but for me, I have kept a timeline of like 10 minutes for each of my videos. So in today's video, I would just say that my type of cancer is the germ cell tumor, malignant germ cell tumor, with ovarian cancer का part है, and under germ cell tumor it comes as yolk sac tumor, which is a kind of aggressive and रिकरेंट होता है। जब मैंने डॉक्टर से पूछा ये क्यों हुआ है एंड मैं इसको कैसे रोक सकती हूँ, दे हैव टोल्ड मी दैट ये किसी को नहीं पता ये क्यों होता है, there's some issue with the cells or something like that. So there the reason is unknown, and what I can do about it, actually nothing is in our hand, as per they said. Recently also I had a talk with a lot of doctors from Tata Memorial, from AIG, and they said कि हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, this is not in our hands, and ये वापस आएगा कि भी नहीं, ये कैंसर के ऊपर है, इसके लिए हमारे पास कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक मे बी बिकॉज इट इज अ रेयर काइंड ऑफ डिजीज, सो इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगा इस बार कि शायद इसके वजह से इसके ऊपर ज्यादा आई थिंक स्टडी भी नहीं हुआ होगा, बिकॉज फर्स्टली इट्स नॉट डेडली, लाइक इंस्टेंट डेथ तो नहीं, लाइक होगा रेयर केसेस में डेथ्स भी होंगे, and that's the reason maybe यहाँ पे ज्यादा स्टडी नहीं हुआ होगा. I don't know why this is so, because since a long time people are having this problem, maybe it's a rare case, that's why people are not studying about it. So that's what they said, and they said it's not hereditary. So मतलब जी मेरे पूर्वजों से ये आया नहीं है, and लाइफस्टाइल का इसमें इससे कोई वो नहीं है कि मैं ये लाइफस्टाइल पर्टिकुलर यही लाइफस्टाइल ले लूंगी तो ये नहीं आएगा, ऐसा भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है, डॉक्टर्स का ये कहना है। हाँ, ऑब्वियसली कॉमन पीपल का बहुत कहना होता है, बट आई थिंक आई वुड go with the doctors because they have a, like, I don't know, I don't want to speak about this right now. Yes, so they said that it's not about lifestyle, it's not about hereditary, and that they said, like everyone, you also have a good lifestyle. That is obviously I would require. And as a 37-year-old, anyways, I am trying to improve my lifestyle. I'm not the same as a 20-year-old or a 15-year-old or 30-year-old. So that's it. And maybe in the next video, I don't know what I said actually. I get a lot of thoughts at night that I will make a video on this and that, but nighttime I was all dizzy. I could not, like, because I had some issues last night, so I could not shoot a video last night. So this is the first thing I did in the morning because I don't know how I will be in the day. This is very, unexpected things happens. So as soon as I woke up, I felt better. I thought I will make this video because otherwise I don't know when I will be able to make this video next, because so I spoke whatever came to my mind right now without any thing. But yeah, raat mein when I'm like half dizzy and all, a lot of thoughts come to my mind, and I'll say I'll speak this, I speak that. But I just hope that my feelings are conveyed. I'm not a very good speaker, as I always said that I'm not very good at articulation. I'm not a very good storyteller. Uh, but yes, I just want that my things are conveyed. So that's the reason. And this is my room. This is my bed. So I work from my bed only because, and of course, I have started walking also, but not now. Right now, I'm not like not very strong right now. Weakness is there, obviously. One of the major problems with chemo is there are a lot of side effects, not just on the appearance, not just your hair goes, but like I had my chemo ended at 9 p.m. tomorrow. So by tonight, 9 p.m., I have to get an injection because my platelet counts will go down. I already had some issues with vomits and everything last night. Again, I might have. So there are a lot of side effects, and it is not just this basic things like vomits or headache and everything. It's with the nerves also, a lot of issues with the nerves and with your veins जो है वो बंद हो जाते हैं, खुलते नहीं हैं. So that's it. Uh, I'll talk about my struggles also, but that will be a next part of video. But because my kid has come to see me, come, and he is my strength. He has been with me since he's born. He's my bachchu, and he's Bihari. I'm Ohomia, but I have made him Ohomia too. And when I had the cancer in 2024, he was totally with me. And this time he even said that we will not go out on my birthday because you were not well. Mama is not well. So bye bye. Give me a kiss. Kiss दे दो. So बोलो bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah.